Hey, I'm Michel, the co-founder of GMBapi.com. Welcome to the GMBapi Academy. Throughout this video series, we've put together user-friendly guides to help you navigate the features of our platform. In this short video, we'll talk about the Q&A Google tab, where you can efficiently handle location-specific questions and keep track of certain Q&A attributes.
Also, in the engagement category, we have Q&A Google. Here, marketeers can review the questions posted for each location and respond with just a few clicks. Keep tabs on whether the store has addressed the question, the number of responses for each query, and the total likes the questions and answers have garnered. Marketeers enjoy the flexibility to filter questions and answers based on date, label, answers, and lastly, search through everything with specific keywords.